Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So guys, I visited Darjeeling in the month of January and it's a beautiful state. For some reason I could not vlog like I usually do. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys Taj Chia Kutir Resort and Spa in Darjeeling, and will show you a glimpse of the Makai Bari Tea Estate and the forest next to Makai Bari Tea Estate. So basically I've divided this video into few parts. My welcome at Taj Chia Kutir Resort and Spa, my room tour, a very small hotel tour, the hotel spa, Makai Bari Tea Estate, Makai Bari Tea, and the forest next to Makai Bari Tea Estate. As soon as I reached the property, the hotel gave me a private welcome by singing their traditional song.
Thank you.
My room number was 508. It was a beautiful valley view room. This is a beautiful property located right in the middle of Makai Bari Tea Estate. It is a 72 rooms beautiful property with an indoor heated pool. Now I'll be taking you to the Makai Bari Tea Estate. Makai Bari was found in 1859 by Banjara family. This is one of the oldest tea gardens in Darjeeling. Tea factory at Makai Bari is the oldest in the world, and it is the only tea garden in Darjeeling which was owned by Indian family throughout the British rule. This tea garden is spread in 1700 acres of total land, in which 300 acres is covered with tea plantation and rest is all forest.
लेकिन फैक्ट्री नहीं लगा था कहीं तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों में मेजर प्रोडक्शन हमने करता है और हम इंडियंस को खाने को दिया है ये प्रोडक्शन ही बनता है अगर आप अभी भी मैं आपको
I got the Makai Bari original Darjeeling black tea and the Makai Bari organic tea. Makai Bari tea is so refreshing and rich. Next day, I was taken by a private tour guide for a trip to the forest, the remaining 1400 acres. It was quite adventurous, and as you can see, the forest is very dense. The expanse of the trees ahead of me were never ending. The sounds of insects, small animals, brittle branches, sound of breeze against the trees was altogether so relaxing and soothing.
भाई तेरी टेल ये रही भाई तेरी टेल ये रही ये टेल कह रहे थे ना जो तुम टेल कह रहे थे ना ये रही टेल ये 500 मीटर है तुम देख लो टेल 500 मीटर ऐसा टाइम है